Hi, so today I'm gonna show you how to create a trifold meditation brochure in Adobe InDesign, and then I will show you how to create its mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started.
First of all, I will go to Edit and Preferences, then Units and Increments, and I will change ruler units to inches, and then press OK, and then create a new document and change its units to inches and select A4 size. If you are living in the US, then choose letter size. I will make sure the facing pages is off and 2 pages 3 columns. I will select 3 columns and let's preview it. Here you can see it has created 3 columns and everything is set. Now I will create 0.125 inches bleed around my document. Here, let's create. Now I will make guidelines. These are just for making sure it is in the center. It will automatically connect in the center. Now I will lock them. Select all and press Ctrl+L to lock them. Now I am going to create a new text box and I will write mindfulness meditation and press Ctrl Shift and greater than to make its size bigger. Double click in the text box and change Ctrl+Alt+7 to change the preview mode on the top and change the font to Garamond LT bold. Garamond LT bold. Then I will change its color to orange. C7M64Y100K0. I will create a box of orange color so that in future I will easily change any color into orange, into that orange. In the bottom I will write relaxing yourself is important. Make the text color black and the top one relaxing orange. I will make sure that everything is balanced. I will if you want to see that option in your customize panel, you will go to customize panel and then frame fitting. It will automatically fit the frame according to text. I will make a line and change its color to orange, and press Shift plus X to change it to stroke. Press Alt plus drag to make the line smaller. Now I will take my logo into that brochure. Control C and Control V to copy and paste. For zooming in and out, you have to press Control plus spacebar and click your left mouse key to zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, then press Control plus space plus Alt plus click. I will use the font Gotham thin. Fit into frame and align them center. My logo font is Gotham rounded, that's why I'm always use Gotham font in this brochure, and I will also use a Garamond. Two fonts we will use in this brochure. I will take the leaves only. Control plus Shift plus G to ungroup, and Control plus C to copy them. I will make it bigger. Control plus C to copy and Control plus V to paste it in my brochure. Rotate it and place it into on the top. Make sure the color is white and make its size a little bit smaller. Place it on the top. This will be our design element in this brochure, and make the font a little bit more smaller and align them center. Then I will create a new text box and write. I will change its color to white. Benefits of meditation. Benefits of building habit of mindfulness meditation. And I will change the font to Garamond LT bold italic. Change its size. Control plus Shift plus greater than to change its size. Maybe 19 points is okay. Make the design element a little bit more smaller, then we will have more space for the text. Change the benefits color to orange. And I will create a line and Control plus Shift plus X to change the fill color into stroke and fit the frame. Then I will create a new text box, and in this text box I will copy something from my Microsoft text document. Make sure that box is enough bigger I will copy the paragraph from my Microsoft text document and paste it in that, and make sure that color is white. Gotham light, I will choose Gotham light. The text needs more space, so I will create a room for it by making the upper part smaller. I will make sure that everything is balanced. And justify the text. Now I will create a new paragraph and copy it from my Microsoft document. Control C and Control V to paste them, and make sure the color is black. So now I will go pexels.com and search for a picture of meditation. Someone doing meditation practice. I will search for it until I find a best picture for my brochure. You can choose any image from here, but let me see. I think this image will work best here. I like it. And make sure that the frame text image frame will auto fit, and if you want to see the auto fit option in your top panel, you have to go to customize control panel and see that frame fitting text is checked. Frame fitting object is checked, sorry. And then make your text frame according to your text panel, aligned to your text panel, and you have to press Ctrl Alt and V to paste your picture into that frame. It will automatically fit if the auto fit option is checked. You copied that picture from, I copied that picture from the pixels, and then just press Ctrl Alt and V to paste it. I'm making a room at the bottom, so I will put my logo and my other address, phone number, email, etc. at the bottom. I'll make a text a little bit more wider, so I will have more space at the bottom. So with the picture, make it a little bit bigger. Shift plus W to go to preview mode, and Shift plus W again to go to your working mode. Control plus C to copy and Control plus V to paste, and Shift plus Alt plus Control and drag to make it a little bit smaller. Press Alt plus drag to make the line smaller. Shift plus W to go to preview mode. I will adjust my logo so it will look perfect there. Now I will write my contact information. Phone number, my address, and my Gmail address. Garamond LT regular. Shift plus W to go to preview mode. Make it size a little bit more bigger, maybe 1 point. I think it's look pretty neat. So now I'm gonna create the inside of my brochure. I'll create a new text box. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Change the font. Control Shift greater than to bigger it. Change the font to Gotham italic. Control Alt and 7 to change the toggle between paragraph and character panel. Change it to book italic. Also, I have also justified the text. I'm gonna copy some other text. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Change the font, make its size bigger, Control Shift and greater than. Control Shift and smaller than to make it smaller. Toggle between paragraph and character panel. Control Alt and 7. I'm using arrow keys to change the position of the text boxes. I will create a new rectangle. I will give it a color and give it the orange color. Copy the box, Control C and Control V, and give it orange color. And I will change the text color to white. Toggle between Control Alt 7. Change the font, maybe Garamond FT, bold italic. Okay, fitting the text. Now I'm gonna create another text box. Copy copy the text from Microsoft document, Control C and Control V to paste. Change the color to white and make the font size 11 points. Change the font to Gotham Light. And justify the text. I will make everything balanced. And I will paste a picture at the bottom. For the picture, I will go again to the pexels.com. Choose a picture, copy image, and then press Ctrl Alt V and make sure the auto fit box is checked. It will automatically fit the image into the frame. And I will also place another picture here. Create a image frame and then place this image, copy image, and then paste it with Ctrl Alt V. Then I will create some text boxes at the bottom. It is the part of the previous text box. Now I will write the three components are focus, sensory clarity, and equanimity are the three components. I will write the three components at the bottom and on the next remaining panel, and then I will write some of their details. Then I will write the main headings in the orange rectangle. Focus, sensory clarity, and the equanimity. I will write them in orange rectangle and their details in the simple text boxes. Change their color into white and the font Gotham medium. Maybe 13 points. Good. Also the three components are 13 points. Make the rectangle a little bit smaller. Make sure that everything is balanced. Now we'll paste another text paragraph. Copy it and paste it. Change the font to Gotham and 11 points. Maybe I should create some room for the text. Ctrl X to cut the picture and Ctrl Alt V to paste again. Yeah, that seems fine. justified the text. Something's not right. Control Z to go some steps backward. Maybe I should place some text in the next panel. Change this text to Gotham Light. Justify text. And fit the frame, text frame. Make sure everything is balanced. Now it's look pretty neat and fine. And I will paste the cutted that I cut from the paragraph. Now I paste it here and change the font to Gotham with the eyedropper tool. Now I will make the rectangle a little bit bigger. I will write here sensory clarity, the second component of mindfulness. Sensory clarity. Now place the text, copy it and paste it. Fit the text frame. Now the third component, equanimity. I will write here equanimity. Place the text, copy and paste. We'll make enough room for the text. Now I will write the last sentence. Change the font to a Garamond LT. Garamond LT may be italic. And change its color to orange. Let me balance everything. And change the text color to orange. Double click in the text box and with the eyedropper tool I'll change its text color to orange. Shift plus W to go to preview mode and shift click to see the upper part of the brochure. Control X to cut the picture and Control Alt V again to paste it. Let me balance first. Control Alt V. Okay, so now I will save this brochure. If you want to print, and you have to select Adobe PDF print and then press OK, and high quality print, and marks and bleed all printers marks, and use document bleed setting. Check this box. Now export it. You can send this document directly to your client. He can send it for print. This is the final look. So our brochure is ready. Now save one more file. Save as type JPEG. This will be for our mockup. We will create the mockup of our brochure with this JPEG files. Let's open Photoshop. I have already created this brochure mockup before, but let's create one more time just to give a look to you guys. Let's open the both images, both JPEG images that I saved. Go to slice tool. The slice tool will be under crop tool. You will easily find it. Just click and drag, make slices, save for web. Just save it. It will automatically create a folder for you and save the files, 3 images, into that folder. Same with the other side. Click and drag the slice tool and create 3 slices of your brochure. Don't worry about the equal sides. It will automatically create equal sides, or just you can take a little care of that. Just save it. Replace. I have already created it before, that's why it's saying that replace the files. Double click on the thumbnail, little thumbnail, and hide it. I will place embedded the images that I just created with the save for web files. Shift Alt and drag to make it perfect, and Control S to save it. Let me close these. Here it is. It's looking the same because I have already created it, but that's how it worked. Place embedded. Place the second one. It's not looking right. Let's see. Control S. No, it's not looking right. Let me create a white background beneath it so it will look a little bit better. And I've already created a white background before, so just unhide it. Control S. Okay, it's looking pretty neat. Let's embed the last panel. It has already white background in the bottom. With the arrow keys I will make it a little bit better. And here is your final looking brochure mockup. Let's see the second, the outside of our brochure. This is our outside. I've already created it also. So this is how our mockup work. I will place a link in the description so you will easily find the PSD file of that mockup. I hope that you guys like this tutorial, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and tell me in the comments if you have any questions, and I will try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.